Okay, let's see how we can install the DeepL extension in our Chrome browser. Open your browser first, then click on this icon that seems like a piece of puzzle. Manage extensions. Look for the DeepL extension here, but it might not appear, so we need to click on the Chrome Web Store to look for the extension. Here is a DeepL extension. Click Add to Chrome, Add Extension. Then you can sign up for free if you want to, but you can use the DeepL extension without signing up. So you can click on Skip here, next, 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 and the DeepL extension is now ready to be used. Click on the burger menu here to manage the extension and make sure that this option is enabled. Allow this extension to read and change all your data. I have already chosen this option here on all sites, but you can use the specific sites option so that you can use the extension only on specific sites. And now let's say we want to use the extension in our Smartcat translations. Let me refresh the page. You will see here that an icon of the DeepL appears. We need to choose the target language. For example, I will choose Greek here, and it's automatically translated. And as you proceed with the translation, you just need to click on the icon and it's automatically translated. Of course, it's a digital tool, so we always need to proofread and check that the text makes sense to us.